How did it all begin?
Right, so it all happened when I decided to go and rent a space to do an engine swap on one of my own cars, and I couldn't find anything. The only thing I could find was in Perth and in Melbourne. So having lived in the US for a bit, we had the communal garages. They were not common, but in the high density areas there were more of them. So I kind of got spoiled for them over there. So when there wasn't one here, I thought, you know, the community could probably really do with one, seeing as there is such a large car culture in southeast Queensland. So yeah, basically it's just see a need, fill a need.
Are you amazed at the amount of DIY that goes on and just the skill that your average person has?
So I'll be quite honest, when we first opened up we thought that it would be the modified car scene that would make the most use of it, and it turns out to being general public and four-wheel drivers. So if anything, yeah, the four-wheel drive scene has like really opened my eyes. They do some like really crazy shit.
Jacking stuff up to the max.
Jacking stuff up, just the size of things, the weight of stuff that comes in the cars, how stuff works just in general. I've actually used the product before, so I was kind of already half converted.
Yeah.
So we use it to clean out like carbon off of valves and stuff in like the Volkswagen and Audis and cars like that. So I've actually seen it work before. So when they said check out the product, I was like, yeah, sweet, no man, like, bring that down.
Anything else you want to say to the masses? Get the word out about Chop Shop.
Oh man, hey, I'm pretty quiet when it comes to that. I probably shouldn't be, but you know, it's like we built this place for the people, and it'd just be nice if people come down and at least check it out.
Yeah, well, you got a racing sim, so I'm already here. So.
Yeah, I know, that's right. They come down, play games, hang out, talk shit. You know, that's what the place is for.